So guys, first method, come to gigabyte.com, www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. You have to download the driver, and you can see here search button. Click on that, just right click to paste and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then this one, Z690 AORUS master. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using. You can see of this operating systems to install any version driver. So this is audio driver. Just click to download here. You can see here. Then it is completed. Just single click to open. Double click to exe. And then yes. So it is closed, means done.